Most desserts spike your sugar levels, but what if I told you doctors actually recommend this one? Let's face it, regular desserts are loaded with refined sugar, empty calories, and pose serious health risks. They cause blood sugar spikes, contribute to weight gain, and can lead to diabetes and other metabolic disorders. But here's the thing. You don't have to give up on sweet treats completely. Today, I'll share a sugar-free dessert approved by nutritionists. Let me walk you through the main ingredients that make this dessert so special. We're talking about dates, cocoa powder, almond flour, Greek yogurt, and chia seeds. First, dates. These provide natural sweetness plus fiber. Unlike refined sugar, dates don't cause dramatic blood sugar spikes, and they actually nourish your body with essential minerals. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and support heart health. It's pure chocolate goodness without any added sugars. Almond flour is low-carb and nutrient-dense, packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. It keeps you satisfied longer than regular flour. Greek yogurt brings protein and supports gut health with beneficial probiotics. It adds creaminess while boosting the nutritional value. And here's what I love most: no artificial sweeteners. We're keeping everything natural and wholesome. Now let's put this together. It's incredibly simple. Start by mixing almond flour with cocoa powder in a bowl. Add your blended dates or mashed banana for that natural sweetness. The dates should be soft and paste-like. Gently fold in the Greek yogurt until everything combines into a smooth, creamy mixture. For an extra nutritional boost, sprinkle in some chia seeds and then refrigerate the mixture. The best part? No baking required. Just serve it chilled and enjoy. It's that simple. Here's why healthcare professionals actually recommend desserts like this one. It has a low glycemic index, which means better blood sugar control. Your glucose levels won't go on a roller coaster ride. With no refined sugar, it's completely safe for diabetics and anyone watching their sugar intake. The high protein and fiber content keeps you full and satisfied, preventing those late-night cravings that sabotage your health goals. According to nutritionists, this kind of dessert helps reduce cravings without harming your health. It's what we call smart indulgence. So there you have it, healthy, tasty, and completely guilt-free. This is how we can enjoy life's sweet moments without compromising our health. I encourage you to try this at home and tag me when you do. I'd love to see your creations. If this video helped you discover a healthier way to satisfy your sweet tooth, give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips that actually work in real life.